the encoder battery on my Fanuc mill got below 4.5 volts and I lost my references. So the replacement batteries are about $36 and they last around 6 months. What I did was I got myself a 6-volt lantern battery from Battery Plus locally, 3D printed a box, put a magnet underneath to hold it in place. I added a voltage meter and I put a 3D printed that case and added a magnet underneath there. I can press that and test the voltage of the battery. Run the wires right up the side and right where it goes into the Fanuc controller. So that's it. Lantern battery, Battery Plus. Get it locally, $6 or $7. Order that online for $36 and it only lasts about 6 months.